Good day, this is Kina with SweetGemLife. Today we are going to be unboxing the August cloth and paper sub box. This is my first box from Cloth and Paper, actually my first order ever from Cloth and Paper. So I'm really excited to get this unboxed. We're gonna drag this box off the desk and go through these things one by one. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So first things first, we've got a menu card. It details what's inside. So we're pretty much gonna go down the list in order and read the explanations and the descriptions. So it says, what's inside? Thank you so much for subscribing to our August 2020 stationery box. We hope you enjoy this box of our newest stylish designs we have created for you to use in your planning routine. Okay, so first things first, we have the October 2021 style vertical weekly. Now, I will be honest, one of the main reasons I subscribed to the Cloth and Paper box is because I wanted inserts for 2020 in the vertical weekly style, and they're no longer available for sale on the website. So when I found out that she was including the rest of 2020 in the boxes, but they would be in the 2021 design, jumped on it. So I did get mine in size A5 because you guys know that I am now using my new Notique Q5 as my business planner. So these are the October inserts. We have a big section here for goals, a to-do list here on the right, important dates with a description here, and bills due. So this will work perfectly for me to keep track of my business expenses, to-do lists, goals meaning projects, business projects, and important dates here. Next we have the monthly view. And then we get into our weeks that are lined for 2021. If my memory serves me correctly, all of the inserts for 2021 are lined. So you won't find any more blank inserts. So we have our week set up here. We still have the monthly view. We still have our 3 top priority section for the week. And then it just goes through the month. It's the same every week. The paper quality is great, and this is exactly what I was looking for. So at the end of the insert section, you have a page for notes, and then this is just the cover page. Next, we have the executive notes insert. It's described as a new look for our versatile executive style notes and dot grid with a redesigned header. So again, my entire box is in A5 size, and these will work perfectly. So we have the top has the header, section, subject, days of the week, months of the year, and the date, and then it's just a dot grid page, and it is repeated on the back. So you did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15 pages. So those are the executive notes insert. Next, we have the habit tracker insert, and the description says, our latest design for habit tracking that lets you set monthly goals for your habits within an included notes section for reflecting on your progress. These are much needed, and I'm glad they're here. Let's take a look. So at the top, you have your month. There are 4 sections for 4 different habits on the page. You have a habit, and it's set up where you have a month, so you can track it for a month. And then it has a space for you to put your goal and some notes right below it. So you have this on both sides of the page. And there are 15 of these as well. Those are your new habit tracker inserts. Next we have the October month cover dashboards, and I really like this. It's very simple, it's very minimal, and it matches the aesthetic that I want for my business planner. So it says, October 2020, I've learned that you shouldn't go through life with a catcher's mitt on both hands. You need to be able to throw something back. And that is a quote by Maya Angelou. The next item is this I Am the Architect dashboard. So it says, I am the architect of days that haven't happened yet. And we've got some architectural design here. Next we have the oat milk and sorbet shaped sticky notes. These are absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving the color scheme here. So you've got a circle here in the sorbet, or is this the oat milk? I'll need to check the website to find out these colors. And then you've got a hexagon, and they're pretty thick and sticky enough to not move around. So these are your sticky notes for the month. Next we have the transparent and matte blanc tab sticky notes. The description says the debut of our tab sticky note design in our transparent flag material and a matte paper version to match. Use them to mark pages or quickly customize tab sections. 25 sheets of each. Let's get this open because I would love to use these as tabs, but I need them to not move. So they seem, at least that one, they seem pretty sturdy. Let's see how sticky they are. Oh wow. Oh, this excites me because if this does what I need it to do, I'm gonna have to order more of these. So these are the transparent and matte blanc tab sticky notes, and they're 3 inches by 2 inches. Next we have the journaling cards. So let's get this open. In here we have a minimalism card. It says minimalism noun. Minimalism most generally refers to a style or approach that uses a small but impactful number of elements. Next we have an October calendar here. And then we've got the October calendar card with the top 3 priorities. Last but not least, there's another dashboard with an S here for simplicity. And at the top it says there's luxury and simplicity. Right, y'all, that is everything from the Cloth and Paper August 2020 box. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Are you busy with someone else? You